Yuri Yalada, Nyagamburi Kee'ahn. Hello, my name's Kee'ahn. I'm a Guguyalanji, Jirubo, and Torres Strait Islander musician from North Queensland, and this is Up In It by Rolling Stone Australia and Tourism NT. I'm from North Queensland, that's where my countries are, and being in Northern Territory, I'm a guest on other Aboriginal land and other people's countries, so for me it was really important to be respectful and connect with local people and learn the history there, and in a way it did make me feel small and really present. Being in the city and feeling small here is so different to being in the outback and feeling small and just seeing the world in a way that's so different to what I experienced. From my experience, I reckon the top essentials for a road trip in the NT are good clothing that kind of caters for all weather. Have your sunscreen, make sure your car's in good condition so you're not doing what we did and having to stop and fix it along the way. Good music, good books, really enjoy it, relax and have a good vibe and make sure that you're respectful and that you enjoy it. So we flew into Uluru and got to go around Uluru and Katajuta, and then we got to drive up to Mbantua, so Alice Springs for a day and just, shopped around a little. Went up to Tennant Creek and camped there as well. It was really lovely, all the little camp spots that we found along the way in the townships, but also just on the side of the road of the main highway. We got to see Kalu Kalu, which is Devil's Marbles, which are these beautiful big rocks on the way up to Darwin. We stopped at Litchfield National Park. There's beautiful swimming holes and just lush greenery, but also red rocks still, so that was so different to what I'd experienced in North Queensland. And then we got up to Darwin and we stayed at the backpackers there, kind of partied that on our last night, and then I flew back and it was all super fun. On the road trip up, we stopped at a random petrol station and there was just an emu farm right next to it, so people were getting fuel and then there was just these emus popping in and just saying hello. It was so wild. Yeah, really weird, but definitely another favorite moment of the trip. When I first dropped into Uluru, I was documenting that I was there because I was so excited, and then my cousin that I hadn't seen in I feel it's been a decade just messaged me and was I'm down the road, Key, I'm working here, just literally walk 100 meters and you'll see me. So that was such a random experience and really lovely because I spoke to how, social media and documenting your trip and connecting and showing everyone what you're doing is, a great way to find people. What I learned through my experiences was be very respectful of the countries that you're on. So many different mobs within the NT, and it's really important to connect with locals and learn the history and, travel respectfully like it's your home, and just really being present and enjoying it because it's such a beautiful place to be. Something that's really stayed with me from my trip through the NT is the image of the stars out there and just how beautiful the sky is and how quiet it is. I remember camping there with my friends and we'd just literally lay back and fall asleep under the stars and not really just hear anything, and I think that's really wonderful. It's something that, I'll look forward to and yearn for. My name is Kee'ahn and this has been Up In It, brought to you by Rolling Stone Australia and Tourism NT.